Welcome back everyone. We are here and today we are going to do a little fix for this homemade radio that I made a long time ago. Now, our fix is supposed to be easy, but at the same time it's difficult. I don't know if you have this in your culture or not, but we call it here the difficult easy. Okay, I made this radio like 2 years ago, and the full workshop was actually uploaded to the previous channel. Unfortunately, it was removed by YouTube, so I'm going to leave a link for you guys for this series on this channel. You'll find it in the description box in case you want to know how did we create this beautiful radio. Okay, so there is a sound. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear it, guys? It's a clicking inside actually, and our fix actually requires us that we have to open it. And here is the problem, because if we are not careful and we damage something, it's going to be it. That's it. It's going to be the problem itself. So it will take time. So this sound comes from here. It's actually the RF antenna for the MW, and it is here. It's colliding with the whole place. Although it was actually fixed firm in the place, but unfortunately I dropped it in one of my desert trips, because it's absolutely very, very effective outside. Here's the FM, and here's the MW, and here's the shortwave, where you get the meters from here, starting from meter 41 going until meter, I believe 13, I forget, but this is the whole shortwave. Okay, through using this slider. Absolutely very beautiful radio using an SMD contemporary electronics. There is also even a smaller size than this we created in the past. I will leave a link also for that small radio if you want to know how did we create it. So we will have to open it, guys, and fix the antenna rod or the RF antenna coil, the rod, so that it will not move. Then I think we will have, before that, we think we will have to fix the location of the coil to get the best inductance, to get the best receiving. Last time I did, but I don't know after it was fall down what happened. So this is the volume control, this is the tuning knob, and this is the charging jack, antenna, on off, band switch, FM, MW, SW, but in the SW you use this short wave band selector, short wave 1, short wave 2, short wave 3, so on and so forth. Now, we actually created labels for this radio in the last YouTube channel. I showed you guys how to actually stamp on the plastic, how to print on the plastic, but unfortunately it was gone for some reason. Here, for instance, it was in Arabic written Sun'a fi Saudiya, made in Saudi Arabia. This is what left from it actually. Okay, and unfortunately those videos explaining how can you print on the plastic, they are already gone, with other many technical videos were lost by a ransom virus, unfortunately, but this is another story we'll talk about later on. So let's go ahead, guys, and open it very carefully. By the way, I left it until today. I did not fix it because I wanted to have enough time and I want to be empty-minded. I don't want anything to attack me while I am actually focusing on how to fix. Let's go ahead and do it, guys. So here we go. We open it very simply. It has no screws, but just only pushing in here or holding here and pushing this cover like this on this side, so that we release the knob from here, or the top, this one and this one, this tab and this tab, and it will be open very easily, because initially this cover was for 4.5 volts triple E 3 batteries. Okay, I'm sorry, double E size 3 batteries. Okay, so very carefully, 1, 2, 3. Oh, very nice. Now, step 2 is to push it by the nail from here. Use our nails and try to push it a little bit over, to push it out a little bit like this. Yeah, you see, from here and from here. So we go to the other side. Okay, we do the same. And then slowly and easy, move it very easily, because there is something that is sticking inside. See, it's stopping. Something is stopping it from moving, and it's from here this time. Yeah. So we have to be very, very careful, because it's stuck actually. You see the battery. Yeah, this one is moving actually. Okay. So all we have to do is to fix sponge in here. Okay. Without further opening, because I cannot continue opening like this. This is danger. Especially in here, you have these wires. I don't want to cut them, because I think I cannot put them again if I incidentally cut it. So the easiest thing to do and the safest thing to do is to install a sponge in here. Let's go and search for such suitable sponge from where we can find it. Okay. So I found out that actually the best thing and the mildest thing to do is to use this kind of a glue to actually fill and hold the bar in place. But we want actually to fill this space in here, as you can see. So we're going to use this beautiful smooth sponge here, okay? Industrial sponge, like this. Okay. Yeah. So let us put it inside and see. Yeah, it is nice, but needs to be cut from here, like this, like this. Yeah. Now it's okay. Keep it in here, like this. Oh, sorry, because the longest side should be like this. From here, this is the longest side. Okay, so like this, exactly. Nice. But before that, yeah, let's fill the place with some glue. Just like this. Okay. And to put this sponge cover in here like this. All right, and from the other side here, all we have to do is to supply some glue inside, like this. And that's more than enough, okay? Let's just put something here like this to make sure that we are not actually taking any of the required space, because anything can actually bother the cover and will not let the cover close, okay? So just like this. Yeah, here we go. Okay, now closing, just like this. Fine. Now let's go ahead and turn it on to enjoy. There is nothing, no sound. Let's turn it on the FM. Right?
Feeling peaceful. What do I want? What do I need? Where do I react physically to upset in my body?
شبابية عادت سؤالك ثم سؤال آخر من سؤالك في قضية المؤشرات. نحن اليوم نتحدث عن تجاوز الطائي. أنتم تستمعون إلى مدار الفيلم.
较2023年3月末下降571亿美元，降幅2%。2023年8月，中国国际收支货物和服务贸易进出口规模按160亿元，其中货物贸易顺差3846亿元，服务贸易逆差。
Nous avons déjà discuté, c'est aussi difficile de convaincre les demoiselles de trouver des candidats prêtes à rejoindre les cours par son soi-disant.
All right, beautiful. So we succeeded, guys. So if you want to see how did we created this beautiful radio, guys, I will leave a link for you down on the text box or the description box. I will leave a link for you regarding the first episode in this channel. There is also another link for another smaller model that I also created at home. Thank you very much.